Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to stop mobile keyboard sound step by step, clearly. This applies to Android 12 and iOS 16 devices and similar versions. First, we will change system sound settings for keyboards in a few taps. Next, we will adjust keyboard app preferences, including third-party keyboards. Finally, I will share quick volume and do not disturb tricks to prevent accidental clicks. Follow each step slowly and test typing after every change. You will be sound-free while typing within minutes. Open Settings on your Android device and find Sound and Vibration settings. Tap Sound and Vibration, then locate additional sounds to access keyboard sounds. Toggle the keyboard sounds switch off to silence typing clicks immediately. If you use Gboard or Swift key, open its app settings and disable keypress sound in Preferences. You can also lower system volume to 0 or enable Do Not Disturb temporarily when typing. Test the keyboard by typing a sentence to confirm clicks are gone. Re-enable any setting the same way if you need sounds later. Open Settings on your iPhone and go to Sounds and Haptics to adjust clicks. Scroll down and find keyboard clicks, then toggle keyboard clicks off to stop sounds. You can also flip the physical silence switch to mute keyboard clicks immediately. If you prefer Do Not Disturb, enable it to block keyboard sounds without changing other preferences. Remember, third-party keyboards like Swift key may include a sound toggle inside their own settings app. Test typing in Notes to confirm silence and change settings back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.